What's up, Survivor? I'm back once again. I'm your Art Survivor 16 and welcome to my world. So it's another Qatar National Day vlog. So it's December 18, 2024. So it is my 20th experience here in Doha, Qatar. So we are now here at Katara. So earlier we are in Corniche area in Souq Waqif, but unfortunately only family are allowed to go inside. So we are now here at Katara. So we actually decided to come here with my colleague. Yeah, so let's see what's inside Katara. Okay. Sa loob ng Katara, ayan. At dito sa loob, naglagay sila ng big screen, yan. Because kasabay ng National Day, meron ditong football match, Real Madrid sa nandito. So, ayan, para doon sa mga hindi nakabili ng ticket ng live, so at least may chance na mapanood yung live ng football match. Ayan, so ang dami pa rin tao. Every year, ganito rin palaging ginaganap dito. Nagaganap dito sa Katara. Sa ngayon, nandito tayo sa Katara kasi doon nga kanina sa may Souq Waqif, bali hindi tayo masyadong successful na nakapasok doon dahil napakadaming tao. So anyway, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, syempre don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Kaya para every time na mag-upload tayo ng mga bagong videos, kayo po nang manonotify. Syempre, kung gusto nyo yung video na to, pati mga previous vlogs natin, just hit the like. Yan. And please do share. You can always leave a comment there. Basta, kagaya na sinasabi ko, no hate, no bashing, and no negative para everybody's happy. Okay? So, ayan. May mga program dito. Ayan, o. Survivor, so merong nagaganap na parang hindi ko alam kung natawag dyan. Basta yan, tutugtog sila doon sa loob. Sa gitna. Ayan. Mga ka-survivors, so nagtanong tayo if there's fireworks display today. So unfortunately, walang magaganap na fireworks display kasi since itong National Day ay 3-day celebration. So today, they're actually celebrating like performing yung mga army, ganyan. Ayan, yung nakita natin kanina, mga army yun. Anyway, so 3 days pa naman, let's see until Friday. So ang celebration nila, it's from Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, 3 days celebration ng Qatar National Day. Tayo sa may loob kasi masyadong matao dun kanina. So dito naman tayo ngayon, okay? Ayan. So ayun, nakita nyo, medyo maliwanag dito kaya okay dito. Mga ka-survivors, so andito pa rin tayo sa Katara. So bali, unfortunately, wala talagang fireworks. So yung natin fireworks, wala. So anyways, okay lang, bali 3 days naman kasi itong celebration, itong Qatar National Day celebration. So, i-check natin tomorrow until Friday kung ano bang ganapan dito sa Qatar. So, again, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, syempre don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell para updated kayo. Every time na mag-upload tayo ng mga bagong videos kayo, ang unang ma-notify. Syempre, just click the like also kung nagustuhan yung mga videos natin, pati yung mga previous videos natin. At saka, syempre, please do share. You can always leave a comment there. Yan, basta no hate, no bashing, and no negative para everybody's happy. So I think it's a wrap for now. This is our Qatar National Day vlog. So again, wala pong fireworks. So try natin tomorrow, okay? Start your day with a smile, but not just a smile, but with a big smile. Always stay positive and be happy. Again, this is your Art Survivor 16 saying bye for now. See you on my next vlog. Bye!